What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about a certain amazing unboxing. I can call it the the monthly April's unboxing. I can call that because it would be so much amazing. So we're gonna unbox some few tech which are so amazing for your quarantine or your lockdown. I can say it because they're tech which some techs you might be using them, but some you are familiar, but some are great. So for further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we got our amazing, I can call, let me just keep it down here. So voila, I got this skull candy with me here, the grind, because you understand how much of the grind it is. You have to grind hard, you know what I'm saying. So let me just get my knife. There we got it. So I'm gonna just peel out this kind of stuff here. That's a beast there. How the material feels, how it just looks, how the rubbers, how, man, I'm kind of loving it. Dang, it's just feeling awesome. Something else you get, it's a wired jack, which is so great, by Skull Candy. I'm gonna just peel it up here. So paperwork, as usually, we don't need paperwork right now because we know how we can figure it out on our own. So as you can see, this is a longer, it's almost 1 meter, which is perfect. So let me just keep this wire here. You can just keep it on the dock somewhere there. I want you guys to hear this. Okay, that's so perfect. Like the music out of it, it's smooth, it's having that kind of bass whereby it's not high-end bass, but it's a mid-range bass which you can get throughout Skull Candy. And I got some extender out of it. I share with you guys on unboxing another kind of tech of extender. Voila, we're having a Porodo product. Man, I kind of love this company, what they have. They're having something which is so amazing, and this is a lens and a flashlight. I kind of like it because it's really impressive. The products, they're really amazing. Like the weights, whoa, nice packaging. And another kind of stuff, it's a manual. So on this one you must read the manual because we don't know how we can figure it out. It's here on the paper every cleaning stuffs which they can help you on cleaning, and another kind of stuff, a small kind of pouch which you can keep up with the landscape and the flashlight. Small mini USB micro, you can charge the flashlight, you won't charge the lens, you're charging only the flashlight. Here we're having our product, nice and smooth, well built. I guess it has some power here. Wow, just check it out, man, this is incredible. Just see how much in terms of lightning it is, and it's having a warm light. Does it have even like a light which is not warm? Like, okay, it doesn't have any other kind of lights, only warm light, just like that. As you can see, you can toss it somewhere here. You can see that kind of composition of my video, how much it changed, like sepia and stuff like that. So this is quite impressive. So on the lightning, it's having a fast mode, second mode, third mode, and fourth mode is off. Yeah, so you can clip it on your phone. So let me just give it a try here. Nice and smooth. And I'm gonna turn on my camera. Yeah, this is really working out. Now I can take a picture here, but my room looks crazy. I won't tell you by that, but let me just take a picture of the wall so some of you guys can see that. Boop. Now this is something which is so incredible. It's such an amazing kind of picture which is quite wide. Now let's see without a lens how much it is. You can see the difference there between having a lens and having not a lens. Very different. It has different lens mode. Yeah, it has a different lens mode you can interchange. So this lens mode, you can just clip it. Or hey, this lens is a micro lens, which means you can shoot small objects. Now let's go outside and get some shots and I'll be back. Okay, let's jump into another kind of stuff, which is a braided metallic audio cable. Now I bought this audio cable because I just want to get the most extendable throughout Skull Candy. I thought that this cable, it might be short. I want something which is long, because sometimes docking it inside my PC, it's a little bit kind of problem because the port is somewhere here far away. So I just want something which is longer, does not distract me in my workflow whenever I'm just doing my certain workflow. So here we're having it. Let me just peel it out and see what's inside. Did I just pick a right choice, or meh, I messed up around? Okay, here we are having it perfectly, and we can open it up and see the difference. We can just compare here. Let me just keep this stick aside because it stick to me on me. I think. Okay, here I'm having the Skull Candy, and here I'm having the cable. Okay, you can see the difference here. The actual difference is just that I think they're all the same, though the Skull Candy seems to be a little bit kind of more length compared to the normal Porodo audio cable. So I think I messed up on that, but it will be an extra audio cable in the house. Talking about audio cable, where we are having a sub-brand connectivity, USB sound adapter. Well, why did I need this sound adapter? Well, because I just wanted to dock it on my machine and get all the audio collected throughout this sound adapter. I don't want me to connect it on the PC. I just want it to be on the USB hub at the back, so as I can get everything smoothly up and running. Yeah. Okay, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, this is a JBL Clip 3. Well, this is a good bad boy for JBL. It's a JBL Harmony, and I think to my own kind of aspect, it's a Red Dot Awards in 2018. Now I'm kind of like loving how much this speaker it is, because if I'm just biking sometimes outside the road, if sometimes I'm biking outside the road, I just want something which I can hear a music instead of me putting my earphones here and then. Sometimes I get tired if I'm going for a long journey, so I just want to hear that kind of music clipped on my backpack. It would be so important, so I thought that about grabbing this JBL Clip 3 to be the best choice. Now, opening it up, we're getting a normal micro USB, which we can use it on our charging of our JBL Clip 3. I'll keep it aside. Another kind of stuff which is so good, we are seeing a JBL Clip 3. Now I'll keep it aside yet, and we are having a long-term paperwork, man. Let me just open. Let me be honest, I won't keep it away. I'll just open it up and see what's happening. Now this a lot of paper. I mean, a lot of paper, and we cannot read all of them, but at least we get throughout that there's no any like thank you for purchasing our JBL product. Okay, no, never mind. We're having a long paperwork which shares with us everything from start to the bottom. I hope you can see that, and it says everything from here. And clipping it, it's it's a hassle. Clip 3, just look at that bad boy. Well, nice and smooth, slick Rick, you know what I'm saying. We got connected directly there. Now it's our time to play some music, so as you can see what's the change about the JBL Clip 3. Is it worth it or not? Okay, I don't want to play that mixtape. Let me just go back to old school and play a normal song. So like let me just get okay, man, this is good. This is definitely good. For the JBL Clip 3, for what the sound you're getting, man, it's incredible. To be honest, you can just control everything from here. You can play it back. You can pause it. You can even having different types of modes. You just have few modes, but what you get through this, it's incredible. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed in this kind of amazing unboxing. April's quarantine lockdown. You're locked down. Definitely don't just go outside and play with yourself, because what you'll play with yourself, you'll get infected by your own self and you start spreading everybody. I don't want you to do that. Stay home safely and do what you gotta do. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.
Thank you.